And the winner is Inspired Spaces Designs. Congratulations.
Woohoo! This business creates strong bonds with their customers through their expert knowledge and stellar service. They've seen strong and steady growth with more than 15 years of experience in the design industry. Champion home builder Renovations, Inspired Spaces Designs, Castle Hill. Come and say a few words. Congratulations. I could see the wonderful surprise on your face.
Oh, I'm speechless. Just thank you for everybody. This is just an amazing reflection on my staff and where I've come from. I've come from a teaching background. I taught design at high school until 2002, decided to take the leap to full-time study, and been in business now for 17 years. So that's longevity. And I've got, probably the reason why I started the business was I've got a severely disabled daughter, and at the time there was no services after school for her. So I started the business from home with just me as a sole trader. Now we're proprietary limited. We have 4 staff, which we want to keep small so we can service everybody. And we're 6 figures, and we won!
Yay! Woohoo! Such a worthy winner. Congratulations to you. Our next category